All right, folks, good morning. You're watching mymotorverse.com. We're down here at Lindo Lake, and we got a car for you. This is the most beautiful Datsun 510 you will ever see. Oh, wait a minute. I got Gerry with me. He is the owner of this Ford Cortina, but we've been talking off air. Everybody thinks it's a 510.
Absolutely.
So who copied who? Did Datsun copy Cortina, or did the Cortina copy Datsun?
In 1966, they started looking like this, the Ford Cortinas. So Datsun only came in the 70s. So Datsun copied the Cortina.
All right. And how would you find that out, folks? By just going to mymotorverse.com. We've got a nice little Hyundai coming through here. And the reason I bring that up is because when you're at a car show, there's nothing cooler than looking at a car. But if you can't talk about it, if you don't find the owner, you don't know anything about it, what are you going to do? We're going to show you something right here. See that QR code? Now, I do want to say a lot of people have been saying, oh, I don't want to click on that. Oh, you're going to start sending me product to buy and you're going to steal my information. No. This is so you can find out everything about the car. We're not capturing or taking anything. We're making it super easy for you. Now, let's get back to this thing. So, I understand you owe more than one.
Yes, I have 8 of them.
And you have 8 of them for what reason?
In 1973, I was a senior in high school. My first car was a 69 Cortina. I paid $920 for it. And came to America. I had to have one. Went to the guy. He had 4, so I bought all 4.
Did you?
And then people started getting to know me, the Cortina guy, so now I have 8.
Yeah, because they'll say,
I just love them.
What do I do with this Cortina? Oh, I know a guy. His name is Gerry. Gerry will take it.
Correct.
So, have you got them all restored?
I have 2 of them fully restored, and the others
in progress. And I understand you have a wagon.
Yes, I have a station wagon.
With a 302 Ford in it.
302 Ford in there, yes.
Boy, is that going to be sporty or what?
I believe so.
But you got a little 4-cylinder, but this is a racing Ford motor, correct?
My friend Pick from Pick's Racing Engines, he builds Formula Ford engines, which are Cortina. Right. And today still at Buttonwillow and Willow Springs, they race Formula Ford. So
sure.
That is a Formula Ford engine.
And this guy, he's just getting into engine building. What is he, 86?
87 years old.
87.
All he does is build engines and make them go fast.
And he loves it. He loves it. So, with that being said, this has become an extreme collector car as well.
Absolutely.
And now people will look at it and say, how much is it worth? You could tell them 30, 35. Now, guys like us guys that are not familiar with this, they will say, oh no. But the guys that are familiar with these,
correct,
this is the top ticket.
I've seen some of them on Facebook Marketplace for $45,000.
No kidding.
This is probably worth 30, 35.
Yeah.
People that buy these cars, that collect them, is former South Africans, New Zealanders, Australians, British people, and a lot of Americans, believe it or not.
And that market is getting bigger and bigger because
definitely so.
There was a time back when the gray market cars weren't allowed to come into the United States. Now you can actually import these cars and you can own them, and you haven't lived until you've driven one. I'm surprised you don't have a right-hand drive.
They were built in Dagenham, England, and they all left-hand drive.
Okay.
They were brought into America from 62 to 1970.
Okay.
For the American market. That's
so they knew that it was going to be the American market, so they put them all on the left-hand side. All right.
I do have one right-hand drive car, a Mini Cooper.
What year?
74. Little Mini, like Mr. Bean?
No, you're killing me, Smalls. I have a 2006 Mini Cooper S JCW GP. Ooh. Only one of 4,000 built, only one of 200 in the U.S. Backseat delete, no backseat, roll. Yeah. So I want to get a little one, a little Mini, and paint it the same color. But the problem is every time I save up money, then it goes up 2,000. Then it goes up 2,000.
Right.
So this
I actually fit in that Mini.
Of course you do. And you can haul freight in that thing too. Let's talk a little bit about your stickers. Talk to me about the Cortina Mark II Club.
Okay, the Ford Cortina owners club in England. It's
Oh, it's in England itself.
in England, in London. And I'll tell you what, they have parts for everything. They kind of purist. They like everything 100% pure.
Don't most people?
And yeah, but I've got a rack and pinion in here out of a Ford Capri. That's a Summit Racing steering column in there. It's Sport or Mini Light wheels. They don't do. They will say, oh, these are Galaxy mirrors. Okay, it's Galaxy mirrors.
Oh, then you can't have those on there.
But the parts, they have everything. They have a very
So if you
part.
do want to be authentic, that's the place to go.
They have everything. And the prices are really good.
Are they really?
So what happened? Jay Leno worked at a Ford dealership and he had a Cortina. Got rid of the Cortina and then he arranged for some old lady to buy all the Cortina parts that was left over. She bought it all. It was stacked up in her house. Then I have this Kiwi friend, New Zealander. He bought all the parts of her. And eventually, he's 87, 88 years old and called me. He says, Gerry, do you want these parts? I said, yes. It's about $25,000 worth of parts. So I said, I don't really need it. I can get it at the club. But I bought it. But not for 25.
Of course not.
So then he called me. He says, when you coming to get your car? I said, my car? It came with 3 cars. He had 3 cars as well. So,
You're kidding. That's where it all
so
came
I
from.
take the parts. I said to my wife, I don't know what to do now. I want the parts, but it comes with 3 cars. She says, just go get the damn car.
Yeah,
Oh,
don't you love it? And then you took her to dinner. Yeah, definitely take her to dinner.
Yeah, and I didn't take her to Golden Corral. I took her
I
for
didn't
lunch.
think so. You're a nice guy.
But so I have a lot of parts. It's all cataloged. It's all in little bins. All
Oh,
numbered,
my
so-
God. Hey, let's do this. Let's close it down so we get a great profile of the car. All right. Now, I understand you won some awards at the Good Guys.
Yes. Yes, at Good Guys and Al Cajon, Classic Cruise, and also the San Diego British Car Day.
Oh, yeah. That's
Every
awesome.
year I go. The next one is in September.
Something like that.
September, yeah.
All right, so we're getting close to
Yeah.
going to buy another one?
No.
Didn't you say you already?
Wait.
Didn't you already say you have another eyeball on one?
Yeah, but my wife is probably watching this.
Oh.
So I can't buy any more. No more.
Where have I heard that before? Where have I heard that before? I tell you what, folks, if you want to be any part of mymotorverse.com, it's real simple to do. Just go to mymotorverse.com, apply. We'll be more than happy to reach out to you. And don't be afraid of the QR code. And don't be afraid on how to download it, because this old guy did it in no time at all. And all we want to do is give back to the car community. If you have a car show that's coming up, let us know a couple of weeks ahead of time so we can do it prior to your car show, because it's all about getting the word out, because every car show, motorcycle show, truck show, they're always giving back to the community, and we definitely want to keep that up. So go to mymotorverse.com, join up, and we will see you down the road.